Hi everyone, Sam from our Finance. So glad you can join me for another video. Thought I'd just put something fun together for an order. Playing with like a few natives, some lovely roses. And then we're just going to build everything up in colour. Thought I'd just show like a fun process. Sort of work it out as we go. I'm sort of laid out all my flowers and I'm just grabbing things that I think would work together, sort of blending colours, putting a few unusual things, mainly unusual in the colour sense. Lovely kangaroo paw. Sort of building the left side and then we'll slowly go to the right side. Lovely goldenrod. And I'm going to sort of start build from the back. Nice, fun, vibrant. Lovely Hyperion. Oh. We've got some bloomed Alstroemeria to just give that red intensity. Check how the shape's going. Now I've got a little bit of eucalyptus left and we'll just back it off a bit. Put a bit at the front. Nice, colourful, a little bit different. It's quite vibrant, really lovely for a birthday or a celebration. Dahlia in there. Just going to tie that up. So spread it out a little bit, accentuate a few things. Just going to do a simple wrap. There we go there. Thank you everyone for watching and I hope to see you next time.